Dear student, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to all of you to the online class. Dear student, how are you? I think all of you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also well. By the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Rafiqul Islam Iqbal, lecturer, Department of Islamic Studies, Milestone College. Dear student, you have already completed chapter 2, lesson 1 to 12. Dear student, everybody take your book out, please. Dear student, I am again reply, everybody take your book out, please. At page 71. At page 71. Dear student, everybody try to note down importance, information, importance line. If you face any problem, if you any confusion, you can ask me, you will ask me, I am telling answer of the questions. Dear student, I have written some sub points and definition for you. Dear student, I will some questions about you. Okay, dear student, you can see the board. Chapter 2, lesson 24. Terminology concerning rules of Shariat. Dear student, today I will discuss chapter 2, lesson 24. Dear student, now I am going to the main topic of discussion. You can see the board. Shariat, Ahkam. Dear student, Shariat is Arabic word. You know, Shariat is Arabic word, which means way, path, etc. Dear student, I am again reply, Shariat is Arabic word, which means way, path, etc. Dear student, Ahkam. Ahkam is Arabic word, which means rules, regulation, system, etc. Is it clear to you? Okay. Dear student, can you tell me what is the definition of force? Okay. I am telling answer of the questions. You can see the board. Dear student, force. Force is Arabic word, which means must of it. Dear student, which means must of it. Most essential. Most essential. Dear student, I am again reply, what is the meaning of force? Force is Arabic word, which means must of it, most essential or most essential. Dear student, can you tell me what is the definition of force? What do you mean by force? Okay, I am telling answer of the question. You can see the board. Dear student, most essential, those rules and regulation of Shariat which are proved as mandatory and inviolable by the irrefutable proofs from Al-Quran and Sunnah are called farz. Dear student, I am again reply, you can see the board. Those rules and regulation of Shariat which are proved as mandatory and inviolable by the irrefutable proofs from Al-Quran and Sunnah are called farz. Dear student, farz is important ibadat. It is order for Allah. It is very, very important instruction of Sharia. Dear student, Islam is complete code of life. Islam is denoted complete code of life. Allah the Most High says in the Holy Quran, Yawma akmaltu lakum dinukum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati raditu lakum al-Islam deena. Allah the Most High says in the Holy Quran in another place, Ma farratna fil kitabi min shay'in tibyanan likulli shay'in. So Islam is complete code of life. There is no doubt in it. Okay, dear student, you can see the board. Farz. Dear student, can you tell me how many type of farz? Okay, dear student, I am telling answer of the question. There are two types of farz. Okay, is it clear to you? Farz kind of two. There are two types of farz. Number one, farz ain. Number two, farz kifaya. Dear student, you can see the board. Farz ain. Dear student, can you tell me what is the definition of farz ain? Okay, dear student, I am telling answer of the questions. You can see the board. Those farz regulation which all must maintain are the farz ain. Dear student, I am again reply. Those farz are regulations which all must maintain are the farz ain. Dear student, for example, the 5-time daily prayers. I am again reply, the 5-time daily prayers, fasting in the month of Ramadan. Dear student, farz ain. For example, the fasting during the month of Ramadan. Dear student, you can see the board. Farz number 2, farz kifaya. Number 2, farz kifaya. Dear student, can you tell me what is the definition of farz kifaya? Okay. Now I am telling answer of the question. You can see the board. Farz kifaya. Farz kifaya is collective farz. It is performed jointly by a group of Muslims. For example, Janaza Salat. For example, Janaza Salat. Dear student, you can see the board. Wajib. Dear student, wajib is Arabic word which means obligatory, compulsory, etc. Dear student, can you tell me what is the definition of wajib? Okay, I am telling answer of the question. You can see the board. Wajib, obligatory, compulsory, indispensable. There are some such regulations in the Shariat which are to be observed, but these are not force. Such regulations are called wajib. Dear student, for example, the two Eid Salat, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Sizdah Soho. Dear student, Sunnat. Dear student, Sunnat is Arabic word which means way, path, system, method, etc. Dear student, can you tell me what is the definition of Sunnat? Okay, now I am telling answer of the questions. You can see the board. Those duties which have been embodied in the Shariat by Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam practice are called Sunnat. Dear student, Dear student, can you tell me how many type of Sunnat? Okay, I am telling answer of the questions. There are two type of Sunnat. Number one, Sunnate Muakkada. Number two, Sunnate Jaida. Dear student, you can see the board. Sunnate Muakkada. Those duties which Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam himself always perform are called Sunnat. Dear student, Sunnate Jaida. Can you tell me what is the definition of Sunnate Jaida? Okay, I am telling answer of the questions. Sunnate Jaida means additional Sunnat. Okay, dear student, you can see the board. Additional Sunnat for 4 rakat salat as is before Asr and Isha. Dear student, Sunnat is very important Sharia of Islam. Dear student, you can see the board. Mustahab is Arabic word. Dear student, Mustahab is Arabic word which means preferable. Such acts are regulated and mustahab in Shariat for the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam encourages his ummah. Dear student, mustahab is very important part of Islamic Shariat. Dear student, next. Mubah. Dear student, Mubah is Arabic word. Can you tell me what is the definition of Mubah? Dear student, you can see the board. Mubah, which brings no reward and as well as his performance. Dear student, it is very important question and definition for exam. Time is very short. Let's finish today. Allah Hafiz.